In today's video, we're going to look at how to hide the Windows 10 taskbar so your desktop looks cleaner and you have more space to work with. If you've ever felt like the taskbar takes up too much room at the bottom of your screen, or you just want a more minimal look, this simple setting can make a big difference. The taskbar normally sits along the bottom of your screen and shows open apps, system icons, and the Start menu. While it's useful, it doesn't always need to be visible. Let's start by finding the taskbar. Move your mouse to the bottom of your screen where you see the Start button and your open programs. Now, right-click on an empty area of the taskbar. Make sure you're not clicking on an app icon, just a blank space. A menu will pop up. From this menu, click on Taskbar Settings. This will open a new settings window where you can customize how the taskbar behaves. Once you're in the taskbar settings, look for an option that says Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop Mode. You'll see a switch next to it. Click the switch to turn it on. As soon as you enable this option, the taskbar will disappear from your screen. Don't worry, it's not gone. Whenever you move your mouse to the bottom edge of the screen, the taskbar will slide back into view. When you move your mouse away, it hides again. This gives you more screen space for browsing, watching videos, or working on documents, while still keeping the taskbar easy to access whenever you need it. If you ever want the taskbar to stay visible again, just return to Taskbar Settings and turn that option off. And that's how to hide the Windows 10 taskbar. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.